Hey you, my name is LaQuanda and welcome to TG Customs. I know, it's been like 3 months, if you didn't notice, since I have posted a video on this channel. The other day, I was just minding my business, going along on my daily routine, and I just happened to check my YouTube account for this channel and noticed that there was a lot of new subscribers and comments on my last video that I posted 3 months ago. I'm just confused. I'm in a good way. Don't get me wrong. But I'm like, where are these people coming from in these views? It may not seem like a lot to most people, but to log on and see 5,000 views, over 800 subscribers. I remember with the last amount I had before, I think I was at like 500. But to log on and see over 800 views, 800 subscribers, I was like, what is happening? And then I noticed that there was 46 comments, most of them with words, like actual communication to me. I'm like, wait, did you guys notice that I haven't been posting for 3 months? If you didn't notice, I have not posted for 3 months. I was not ignoring you guys, I promise. I did not ignore comments. I answer all comments. And I felt like it wasn't right for me to just reply back in the comment section, which I probably still will do, but I did want to make a video replying to all the comments that I did receive in that last video, which is this video right here. And I also want to thank everyone that has subscribed because of this video. Yeah, but thank you guys and welcome. I promise I'm going to be posting. But if you guys notice what's behind me, this is the reason why I have not posted in so long. We had moved away from Florida into Texas. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video in the comments or the description box below so you guys can check it out, of us announcing that we did move out of state. I no longer have a craft room, craft office. I don't have none of that. Doing anything crafty related is not an option right now, not to record at least. So that's why I haven't posted in a while. But we coming back. So stick around if you guys just subscribe. Stick around. The videos are coming, I promise. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into these answers to these questions right now. Okay, so like I said, there was 46 comments on this video. I did ask if you guys made it to the end of the video to leave an emoji of a puppy, and I got quite a few emojis. Like, that was nice of you guys. You guys actually watched it to the end. I feel so special. All the puppy emojis, so most of them were puppy emojis. I did respond to some. I can't say this name, but I'm putting on the screen right here. And the printer that I use, ooh, that's a good question. The printer that I use, I do not recommend. It is not a sublimation printer. It's not a fancy any kind of printer like that. It's just a regular inkjet printer that I bought on the fly, and I do not recommend it. I honestly hate it. I've said that in many other videos. Prior to the last video, no, I'm not recommending it. So I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. I know they don't make it anymore, so you're not gonna buy it by mistake, so. But no, it's not a fancy printer. It's just a regular inkjet HP printer. Do you use Solvent for your prints? What printer currently do sublimation and HTV? Looking into Solvent. I have no idea what Solvent is, so I can't even answer that question appropriately. See, that's what I'm saying. I wasn't ignoring y'all. Like, I don't know these answers. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what Solvent is. So I'm also to say right now, the supplies that I used for that video were HTV printable vinyl. And this is the item that I was actually using. It's just a regular paper, HTV printable paper that you put into a regular inkjet printer, and it prints like on paper. It's nothing special. It's not no sublimation, none of that. Just a regular paper. Very helpful. Love your energy. Thank you, Paula. That video was so old. That's when I was young too. So I don't know if I still got that same energy, but I'm gonna try to bring it back if I don't got it. Hi, great video. But I put multiple images in my design and grouped it and flattened it, and Cricut won't slice it in half. Don't know why. Thank you for your design, and try to slice it in half so I can see what I'm doing wrong. Please, thank you for a great video. So if I read that right, I didn't read it before the video. If I read that right, I think you had multiple images and you were trying to, so you have 5 images and you want to slice it into one, like a circle, and you did like this to slice it. But with Cricut, you can't slice more than 1 image. That's another drama. You can only slice 1 image at a time. So you have to do 1 image, slice it, 2 slice, 3 slice. That can get a little tricky. If I can figure out how to do it and show you guys on camera, I would definitely do that. If not, I'm sorry. But you can't do 5 and slice it all at one time. Cricut is not going to allow that. How long does a printable heat vinyl stay on a shirt for? I have shirts that have had that for years. I started this in 2019, and I have shirts from 2019 that I wear at least once or twice a month because they're my house clothes. I'm gonna show you guys a shirt right here. This is a shirt that I've had since 2019 that still has the color and the prints, and it's holding up. This video is priceless. Cricut should give you some equity in the company, because I surely was going to return the machine. Great job with the video. I am now a subscriber, and I thank you for that. And I agree. Cricut, find me. I mean, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm helpful and I know what I'm doing. I think, well, they think that. So Cricut, call me, hit me up in emails, DM me, whatever you gotta do to hook a sister up. Just throwing it out there. Let me fix this bit of light in the back. That's better. Can I use printable Htv for this? Yes, I'm assuming that's what I use. This is a printable Htv vinyl. So yes, you can. This is not sublimation, printable Htv. What kind of tape did you use to hold down the sides? I use heat resistant tape. I will link that in the description box below where you can get that from. I got it from Amazon, so I'll link that below. You guys can check it out. This is also what it looks like if you just want to see what it is. Finally learned to do this method. You are a great teacher, and I will come back to your channel. I was like you. I looked everywhere and tried all of the other people's videos, which was a little too advanced. I love the way you break it down. Thank you, Monica, for subscribing, and thank you for your comment. Yeah, it was a struggle trying to find a good video where I can understand. I didn't need the technical stuff. I needed the regular information to get the stuff done. So I'm glad I was able to provide that to you guys. And I actually was not even going to post that video because I didn't think it was worthy, but I'm glad you guys are getting help from it. Great job. The first time I tried the large cut, I had lines as well, but you did great. Yeah, the lines, they'll be there until you figure it out how to get it perfected. You're gonna have lines. Even when you get it perfected, you probably still have lines. So just gotta keep practicing. I'm pretty sure if I do it today, I would have lines, because that video was very old and I have not done it in a long time. But when I do it again, I'll definitely post it so you guys can see what happened. Thank you so much for this easy hack. It is so simple the way you do it and explain it. Thank you so much. I am your new sub all the way from Nova Scotia, Canada. Sylvia, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for leaving a comment. I'm glad I was able to help you. And I have been to Nova Scotia, Canada before. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to vlog it, but we was there. Me and my family was there on a cruise. We have to go back. And yeah, that's most of the comments that I did not respond to, or that wasn't a puppy emoji. So thank you again, guys, for watching this updated video. As you can see, we are building a home. Our journey should be up on our travel channel or our vlog channel very soon. I actually haven't announced it over there yet, so you guys got an exclusive. So you guys are special. But if you guys want to go ahead and check out the videos that I posted in the description box below regarding us moving to Texas and us traveling, you can go and check those out. And I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. Bye.